we will unbox and install Viscometer. A viscometer is a scientific instrument used to measure the viscosity of fluids. It is used in industries like manufacturing, chemistry, and quality control to ensure product consistency and performance. In the first box we have a stand, a wrench, and a stand base. In the second box we have the spindle protection frame, spindle case, power adapter, temperature probe and the viscometer itself. First we will attach the stand to the stand base. To do so we will first take out the bolt from underneath the stand, then we will screw in the stand on the stand base such that the height adjustment knob is on the right side. To tighten the stand on the base we will put the bolt back on the stand and tighten it with the wrench. Now we will attach the viscometer to the stand by inserting and tightening the screw on the left of the stand into the viscometer. We can use the knob on the right of the viscometer to adjust its height. On the back of the viscometer we have the sockets to connect the temperature probe, the power adapter, and a printer. We will insert the power connector into the power socket. Then we will insert the temperature probe connector into the temp socket. Here we have the 4 types of spindles marked as SP1, SP2, SP3, and SP4, Choose a spindle according to the viscosity of the sample, taking known readings into consideration. Now we will attach the spindle protection frame to the viscometer. To attach it, we will align the holes on each side of the frame to the screw near the spindle connector and lock it in place by rotating the frame anti-clockwise. Now we will take our SP2 spindle and connect it to the viscometer. To connect the spindle, we will hold the connector and rotate the spindle clockwise, connecting the spindle to the viscometer. Now we will place the temperature probe into its slot on the spindle protection frame. Here we have a bottle of silicone oil which has a viscosity of 330 to 370 CSD at 25 degrees Celsius. Now we will pour the silicone oil into an empty beaker and submerge the spindle in it till the marking on the spindle. To submerge the spindle, we will use the knob on the right of the viscometer to adjust its height, submerging the spindle into the oil. Then we will check if the viscometer is on a leveled surface or not, by checking the bubble level on top of the viscometer. If the viscometer is not leveled, we will use the leveling screw on the foot of the stand to level the viscometer. Now we will turn on the viscometer. After turning the viscometer on, we will adjust the speed of the spindle by pressing the speed button and adjusting it with the arrow buttons. To take reading of our silicone oil, we will adjust the speed to 81.0 rpm. We will also choose SP2 on the screen for our chosen spindle by pressing the spindle button. Now we will press the run button and wait till the reading on the screen stabilizes. Stabilized reading is the final reading of the silicone oil. After we get our reading, we will press the reset button to stop the spindle. Your viscometer is ready to be used. Thank you.